One of the things that you should be able to do as a high school student is convert percent numbers into decimals. The general way that you do that is to move the decimal point 2 places to the left. But let's talk about why. Let's take an easy number, or one that we all know very well, like 25%. Most of us have a general understanding that 25% is the same as a quarter of something, which we all know is the same as 1/4 in fraction form. And most of us know that 1/4 as a decimal is 0.25. So if we try to get from 25% into 0.25, we would all simply have to move the decimal point 2 places to the left. Right now, when you have 25%, the decimal point is sitting after the 5. And so if you move it once, 2 places to the left, now you're at the number 0.25, which is the same as 25%. Let's take some other percents as examples. What about the number 30%? If you use our method of moving the decimal point 2 places to the left, you'd start after the 0, and you'd move it once, twice, and you'd get the number 0.30. Now if you wanted to, you could also write this number as 0.3. That has the same meaning as 0.30. What about a number that has a decimal in it already, like 27.5%? Now the decimal point is clearly seen as being in between the 7 and the 5. You'd still move it 2 places to the left, and you'd get the number 0.275. So it is all right if your number has more than 2 digits in it. What about a number that has a decimal point in it, and when you move it to the left, nothing happens? Let's say, for example, a number like 0.07%. It's a very small percentage, right? And so if you move the decimal point 2 places to the left, there's nowhere to go. So if you're moving the decimal point somewhere and there's no digits available, you would put in extra zeros as needed. So in this case, we would put some zeros in the front because we're moving the decimal point 2 places to the left. Once we move it once, twice, now we get the number 0.00 for the 2 that we added in, the 0 that was already there, and then the 7. Remember that the original number was 0.07%. That's a very small number, and so as a decimal, it would get even smaller.